Perth City is a beautiful place. It's got natural environment all around it with the Swan River and Kings Park. It's easy to explore. It's full of interesting places and interesting stories. There's been enormous infrastructure developments like Elizabeth Quay and railway stations being put underground and redeveloped museums, great places to eat and drink and to socialise. We have a large variety of walking tours and they cover history and food and beverage and culture and art. We could have a fromage tour that's a nice way to go and visit a few restaurants with a bit of food and drink along the way, or even explore some interesting places in the city for street art. Many of our clients are from Perth, and after a tour they all unanimously agree that they had underappreciated how beautiful the city was and they can't wait to spend more time here. What people discover on our walking tours are the stories that aren't present at street level. All of our guides are local. They've spent most of their lives here in Perth. They're passionate and knowledgeable, great personalities and excellent storytellers. You should definitely join a 2 Feet and a Heartbeat tour. We have a theme of a tour for everybody. Come and join us one day.